the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the iPhone XS for Straight Talk, guys. So the iPhone XS is finally here at Straight Talk. It's available in 640 whites only. So yeah, it's available in space gray here. So this is what the iPhone XS looks like right here. As you guys know what it looks like and whatnot. So yeah, so there's the front. That's front thing. You guys have a front-facing camera, the earpiece, the volume buttons on the left side, the sound button right there, power button on the right side and whatnot. You also have that notch there on the top. That's the front side of the phone. You have a power button, and your camera does stick out just a bit there. On the back of the iPhone XS, you guys have dual cameras, camera flash, Apple logo and the iPhone logo there. So yeah, the iPhone XS has 4G LTE, of course, Wi-Fi. It has a 5.8-inch OLED display. Dimensions of this iPhone XS is 5.65 inches height, 2.79 inches width, and 0.30 inches depth. Usage time 20 hours, talk time 12 hours. 64 gigabytes of storage, and that's the only one that Straight Talk offers. Camera is dual 12 megapixels on back with an f1.8 aperture wide-angle lens, and I think it has a 7 megapixel front-facing camera, I believe. So yeah, so it says welcome to the big screen, super retina, even faster Face ID, the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone, and a breakthrough dual camera system with depth control. iPhone XS is everything you love about iPhone taken to the extreme, alright? So in the next one I tell you guys that you got some bond of your phone with the no contract plan and whatnot. And if you guys want to see the full specs on this iPhone XS, you guys can click on there and take out some specs from the Apple website. So the iPhone XS is available in 3 colors. You have space gray, you have silver, and you have gold. So the iPhone XS is available in 3 colors, but it's only available in 64 gigabyte storage option only. So y'all guys can pay this phone monthly, or y'all guys buy this phone outright. So if you guys have excellent credit, you guys get this phone for $48.41 a month for 24 months. If you guys are building credit or whatnot, it's $121.73 a month for 15 months. But if you guys want to buy this phone outright, it's $999. So yeah, specifications on the iPhone XS. This dimensions again is 5.65 inches height, 2.79 inches width, and 0.30 inches depth. It is CDMA EVDO, so it's going to be used in Verizon towers for that. The weight is 6.24 ounces, included battery, lithium-ion battery, talk time 20 hours. A service plan is required for activation. Plans are not returnable or refundable. iPhone purchases are limited to a maximum of 2 per order, okay? So keep in mind, and what you guys get in the box is your standard iPhone stuff. You guys get the iPhone XS with iOS 12, AirPods with Lightning connector, Lightning to USB cable, USB power adapter, and documentation. Of course, the iPhone XS runs iOS 12, of course. iOS is the world's most personal and secure mobile operating system, packed with powerful features that help you get the most out of every day. Cameras dual 12 megapixel with f1.8 wide angle lens, f2.4 telephoto lens, 2 times faster sensor for smart HDR across your photos, portrait mode with depth control, Faster LTE and Wi-Fi. LTE advanced up to 450 megabytes and 8211 ABG and AC Wi-Fi. Built-in battery has a built-in rechargeable battery. Watch charging works with Q chargers. Charging via USB to computer system or power adapter. Okay. So yeah, there it is, guys. The iPhone XS is now available at Straight Talk for $9.99. It's available in silver, space gray, or gold, and it's only available in 64 gigabytes only. So yeah, the iPhone XS is finally here at Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.